Shut up. Okay, ready? So we have a Raptor here. That's it. That's it. That's it.
So we got the Raptor. Come spend your stimulus check on us. Oh!
The next one's coming on your head. Okay, shut up.
Okay, go.
Okay. So Sergio is getting no money today. Let's text Vic. Let's tell Vic that he's not getting money today.
No money for me.
No money.
No money for me. You know, finish the car. Tell him.
Okay, so we have a Raptor here. Sergio, shut up.
What? Did you say shit?
Okay.
What the? This is the time you say.
Okay. So we have a Raptor here. This truck is in here for a few different things. We're gonna do custom work. We're gonna probably wrap this truck too. But also this thing has mechanical problems. And after diagnosing it, Javier, get over here. Javier found out that we need a rack opinion on this Raptor. So we're gonna start to do the rack first, and then we're gonna get it ready for custom work as well, and make this thing look nice and safe on the road. Ready?
Ready.
Ready. Let's do it.
Hold on, I got it. No, just put one pin. Hold on, get up. What the hell? Hold on, let me do it. How much is it for? 10,000? How much is it for? 10,000? Hey, hold on. Santos, you want to trade your bicycle with my car?
You have to listen to my son, okay? Because if I'm your boss, he's your boss.
Hey, he got more cocky when he said that.
No, because it's true, dog.
He's like, you're like, listen to my son. He's like,
Hey, Dad. Thank you, okay?
That's right, tell him. Tell him what we're about.
Yeah.
Our family.
I have my backup over there. No backup. Backup.
By the way,
No.
when we're getting mad at you that you're not wearing the mask, you think you fixed it, you're still not wearing the mask.
Bro, I'm trying to
stop breathing on us.
I cannot
Close your mouth.
Bro, why are you not wearing a mask?
Close your mouth.
Okay.
I've had a mask.
What is your mask?
Yeah. Like that.
That's not how you wear it. Coronavirus.
Don't come too close to me.
Hey.
Don't come too
He's
close
like-
to me.
That one looks like a G-string, bro.
Wear your mask.
That one looks like a D-string.
D-string?
We have a 2012 SLS. We have a damage on the quarter panel, so we need a new quarter panel on this. We need a new bumper, and the right rear suspension is messed up. Be careful, guys, when you guys have a damage like this. Make sure when you guys take it to the shop, make sure they don't fix it, because this is one piece, so they have to change this one piece. Every time the bumper sits on it, you guys gonna have a huge gap. So make sure they change that. So we're gonna change the quarter panel on this car. We're gonna color match blend, and we're gonna complete blend the roof because there's no breaking point. So we're gonna cut it, weld it, and we have to repair and paint it.
He has the nicest jacket.
Oh, he has a nice jacket. It does. It's a good brand.
Yeah. It's really nice.
I think it's a good brand. I'll blur that. This guy doesn't know that I'm gonna stick the camera in your ass. Like, you have no idea that camera's gonna go in your ass. Are you still recording? Perfect. So he said he's gonna stick it in your ass, and then he's gonna take a lot of pictures of your organs inside of your ass. That's what he said.
I'll do that.
second Los Angeles gets emptier streets, everybody's a street racer now. So at first I thought filming video with all the traffic was difficult, but now it's even harder because at every point in time there's somebody trying to crash into me. So I'm trying to be careful with that. We just had a Aventador try to race me. He was going the other way, saw us, turned around, came after us, and tried to race. We were at a stoplight, he was revving it, but I don't think he knew how to launch it. So I was taunting him because he was taunting me, but I didn't actually race because we're on Sunset Boulevard. That's a little crazy. There's a lot of people around. I'm not trying to drag race somebody. And also this car is going to destroy an Aventador off the line. So not something I wanted to do. So yeah, there you have it. Don't street race. But yeah, we're in this crazy Dodge Demon. This thing is another color fade wrap. This is number 5 that we did. This one is very special because it is a custom color throughout, of course. The other ones were custom colors too, but this is even more special because we created these colors specifically for this car. So we did a pearl tan in the front, and then it goes into a pearl brown in the back. Really dope combination. We added a little wing spoiler in the back, a bill they call it. And then we also did color matching brake calipers. So the calipers are tan in the front and brown in the back, just like some of the other ones before. I think this thing looks unreal because it is also a wide body. It looks like a toy car almost with this theme on there. Getting crazy feedback on the streets, and it is an 800 horsepower Dodge Demon. We have a lot of inquiries right now about color fade wraps. We have a bunch more in the works. It's ridiculous how many color fades we're doing, but I think honestly with different color combinations, truly unique and different. So again, you saw where the trend started, and we're going to continue the trend into 2020 even though we're dealing with COVID-19. So hope everybody's safe, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right guys, we're back at the shop. We forgot one detail. We really didn't forget because we were getting it done. Little last touch, the Demon on the side right there. As you can see, it's brown to match the back. This is custom painted, so you got the brown Demon on the tan side right there in the front. Just another added detail at RDB.
We got Chris Brown's Lamborghini back. Car's not starting, so we're gonna go ahead and do a diagnostic and see what's happening. Hopefully it's a simple fix, but you never know. So tow truck's about to drop it off. We'll start to do the inspections tomorrow. So I guess when it was raining, and I guess the window was open apparently, and there's all water filled on the passenger side, so we have to try to get it out.